In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix purchase not showing in eBay history. If you recently bought something on eBay and it's not appearing in your purchase history, don't worry. This usually happens for a few common reasons, and in most cases, it can be resolved with a few simple checks. First, go to eBay and make sure you're logged into the correct account. One of the most common causes is that the purchase was made on a different eBay profile. Double check the email address, username, and any linked sign-in methods like Google, Apple, or Facebook, since switching accounts by accident is easier than it seems. Once you've confirmed that, open My eBay and go to Purchase History. Review your recent orders carefully. If the item still doesn't appear, change the date range filter. Sometimes the order is simply hidden because the selected time period is too narrow. Try viewing the last 60 days, the last year, or older purchases. You can also use the search box inside Purchase History. Search by the item name, the seller name, or a few product keywords. This is a quick way to locate an order that may not be immediately visible in the list. Next, check your archived orders. If you archived the order earlier, it won't show in your normal purchase history. Open the archived orders section and restore it if needed. It's also a good idea to search your email inbox for eBay order confirmations, purchase receipts, or seller messages. Look for the order number, purchase date, and seller details. These can help confirm whether the purchase went through and which account or checkout method was used. Another possibility is guest checkout. If you completed the purchase without signing into an eBay account, the order may not appear in your history at all. In that case, use the guest order tracking information from your confirmation email. After that, review your payment transactions. Check PayPal, your credit or debit card, or your bank statement to make sure the payment was actually processed successfully. If everything looks correct, refresh eBay by logging out, closing the app or browser, logging back in, and refreshing purchase history. If you're using a browser, clear the cache and cookies, restart it, and sign back into eBay. This can fix display or syncing issues. You should also check sections like canceled orders, returns, and refunds, since the order may have been canceled automatically because of a payment problem. Then compare both the eBay mobile app and the desktop website, because one platform may update faster than the other. If the order is still missing, contact the seller using the information from your email receipt and ask them to confirm the order status, payment received, and tracking details. And if that doesn't solve it, contact eBay support through the Help Center with your